if you've been looking for a very cute apron, this is it. Oh my goodness, the color is so nice. And look at this. This is just so cute. So cute. Look at the material. It's just so nice. You look super classy. Like, I am just in love with this. It's something that I just received, and I am so excited to start cooking with it. And this is how you can wear it. Based on my understanding, you can adjust it over here with this, so it is adjustable for sure. And it's like a little dress, you know, like this is something that I am so excited. I don't know if it's like this. Yes. Let me just show you how this looks. It's just like a little dress, but it's just so cute. Look at this. And then you're ready to cook. You have over here looking good in the kitchen. This is a very nice color. And then you have your two pockets over here. And then in the back, you can adjust the over here this. You can just adjust it, but so it looks prettier and ready for you. But other than that, it's just like a very cute apron. Very unique. The color is amazing and very good quality. So if you're looking for something aesthetic to add to your cooking outfit, this is definitely it.